guys, Hazel here. So welcome to my channel. What we will be doing today is that we will be innovating old clothes from a new and trendy one. So the title of our today's episode is Do It Your Own Off-Shoulder Top. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. So here are the materials needed. Old shirt, ruler, thread, scissors, pins, needle, and lastly, the elastics. Step number 1. Using the marker, trace the sleeve part of the shirt. After tracing the sleeve part, cut it with a pair of scissors. Do the same on the other side. Keep the sleeves. Using a ruler, trace the mid part of the shirt. Then cut it after tracing. Fold both sides of the shirt and secure it with the pins. Step number 4. Prepare for sewing. Using a thread and a needle, sew the mid part of the shirt. Do the same on the other side. When done with the sewing, proceed to the step number 5. Measure your bust line to get your designated size. Step number 6. Prepare to use your pins and elastics. Insert the elastic on the sewed side of the shirt with the help of the pin. Step number 7. Work on the sleeves. Using the pin again, secure the sides of the sleeves. After securing the sides, prepare to sew. Repeat the whole thing on the other sleeve. Step number 8. With the help of the pins, insert the elastic on the sleeves. Do the same on the other side. And lastly, for step number 9, attach both sleeves on the cotton shirt. So that's it guys, ganun lang kasimple. So if you have old shirts na hindi mo na ginagamit, pwede mo siyang i-transform na kagaya nito. Super bilis lang niyang gawin at super stylish and fashionable din. Before I end this video, let's have some recap. That's it guys. Thank you for watching my DIY tutorial. Hope to see you again on my video. Bye!